Nuasor butore bare 01 foros. Inside and outside 13 obligation in Salat. Bare hatan. Outside 7 obligation. Elombor gafak. Number 1, purity of the body. Dulombor horfak. Number 2, purity of the clothes. Tilombor jagafak. Number 3, purity of the place. Silambor sotorguron. Number 4, covering all body. Men and women must cover their body.
Number 4, covering all body. Men and women must cover their body.
5 number, kebala uzu mugoron. Number 5, facing the kebla.
Number 5, facing the Qibla.
6 number, niyat goron.
6 number, niyat goron.
Number 6, making intention.
Number 6, making intention.
6 number, octosinon.
6 number, octosinon.
Number 7, no time which prayer you are praying.
Number 7, no time which prayer you are praying.
Inside 6 obligation.
Inside 6 obligation.
Butore sowan.
Butore sowan.
El number takbire taharima badon.
El number takbir tahrima badon.
Number 1, the opening takbir.
Number 1, the opening takbir.
2 number, karat foron.
2 number, karat Quran.
Number 2, reciting surah.
Number 2, reciting surah.
3 number, tiayare foron.
3 number, tiayare Quran.
Number 3, must pray in standing.
Number 3, must pray in standing.
4 number, ruku goron.
4 number, ruku Quran.
Number 4, bowing.
Number 4, bowing.
5 number, sajida goron.
5 number, sajda Quran.
Number 5, prostration.
Number 5, prostration.
6 number, ada at-tahiyatu shuan boshon.
6 number, ada tahiyatu shuan boshon.
Number 6, sitting amount of tashahud.
Number 6, sitting amount of tashahhud.
El number, gafak mani, gar butoriyo fak, bariyo fak. Okay? तो बाद है 2 number ki khor fak mani khorom made ki buri na pariba feshak tahana furi na paribo no hata bujona jaga fak mani tomara jaga made nuaz foriba jaga nan ki ofuribo fako furibo okay sotor guron hole bujona bori re khabar mortwande sotor hodur nagi dora thengor arul niche ponjotto okay maya point tora bujona tomara tun te ato sugira dora thengor surgira niche ponjotto henan tomara ki sotor nuaz foriba shot hamaka hin ki taburibo gujja taburibo hata bujona to bade 5 number kebala uju mugoron mani ara nuas fori di kebala uju mu hamaka kebala taraf o foribo hata bujona to bade intention mani niyot goron mani tomara je ottor he niyot goriba zuro nuas folle zuro niyot goriba asoro nuas folle asoro niyot goriba hata bujona to bade okto sinon mani fojoror okto golile fojoror nuas fori bari bade hera amato zuro nuas fori na pariba zuro okto golile zuro nuas fori bade asoror nuas fori na paribo no hata buguno bujona door guri hona bra
Inside and outside 13 obligation in Salah. Outside 7 obligation. Prior purity of the body. Purity of the clothes. Purity of the place. 4, covering all body. Men and women must cover their body. 5, facing the Qibla. 6, making intention. 7, no time which prayer you are praying. Inside 6 obligation.